Pyrolysis with wet grain. Careful, if you perform this experiment, you need safety measures. In this experiment, we'll be using a varnish can. And in a second can, I will use a condenser. A copper wire will be attached to the smallest can to allow the pyrolysis to be completed. At the end of the copper, it will be attached to a plastic wire to be transported to the capacitator. It should be noted that main products of pyrolysis are combustible gases, bio-oil, and biochar. We need to make sure that the copper wire has no holes because we don't want air to go in. Pyrolysis is a decomposition at high temperatures of different carbonaceous material. Temperatures can go up to 700 Celsius. In this experiment, we'll be using wet grains, and we will find these wet grains in cereals. So after wet grains are placed into the reactor, we need to make sure that it's completely closed. After the reactor is ready, we put it on top to the burner and then we light it up. After 1 hour, it's time to turn off the burner and we try to get some combustible gases for this experiment, but we don't have success. I think that I don't have success because the burner was not enough to heat this reactor. And in bio-oil, I put on a stick and paint the stick to the oil that the reactor throw out, and then I burn it up. After the reactor gets cooled down, we check the wet grains gets turned into a biochar. And if you see in the video, it seems like gold.